Okay, good morning, everyone. Nice to see everyone. Welcome to our Fall Student Awards ceremony. My name is Wayne Peters, and I'm the Interim Dean of the Faculty of Sustainable Design Engineering. I'm delighted to be here this morning to celebrate the achievements of our students and to recognize the wonderful donors of our awards and scholarships. This ceremony will look a little bit different this year since we typically gather for an evening ceremony with our donors and students coming together to celebrate. Of course, COVID-19 has changed this and many things and many other aspects of our lives. But the one thing I've noticed as we continue to navigate this pandemic is the creative thinking that has been sparked as a result. This event is definitely an example of that. This morning, we have our donors joining us virtually via YouTube, while our student award recipients and our faculty, staff are here with us in person. This virtual platform also allows family and friends to join in this celebration from a distance. So I would just ask everyone present here to be mindful of physical distancing, of course, and I'm looking around, I see everyone has masks, and I'd ask you to keep those on throughout the ceremony. Of course, I extend a warm welcome to our donors who are joining us virtually this morning and say thank you to them for their ongoing support of the Faculty of Sustainable Design Engineering. And to all of you who are connected with us virtually this morning, thank you. Your support means so much to us and to our students. Now on to our awards. We have quite a number of them and we'll move through them fairly quickly. And students, as I read through the scholarships and awards this morning and announce your names, I'd ask you to stand up and down to the front. And as you see, Christine has a number of envelopes laid out here. I'm sure she'll direct you to the right one. Don't take all of them. Come down and receive your award and be acknowledged by everyone that's present, and then you can return to your seat. So we'll start things off this morning by acknowledging our returning student awards. The first one is the Coles Associates Limited Award in Engineering. Coles Associates was founded in 1959 by Laurier Coles of Summerside, PEI. Today, Coles Associates Limited continues to provide professional services to a diverse clientele in Canada, the US, and other selected countries internationally in the disciplines of architecture and engineering, specifically structural, mechanical, civil, electrical, and transportation engineering. The award is awarded to a deserving first-year engineering student who has achieved well academically. And this year, it's awarded to Damien Dusak. Congratulations, Damien. You can go back to some best thanks. The Alan Moore Memorial Award in Engineering is an annual award established at UPEI by family and friends in memory of Alan Moore, son of Stan and Eileen Moore. Alan Moore was a first-year engineering student at the University of Prince Edward Island when a motorcycle accident claimed his life in 1983 at the age of 19. Alan is well remembered by his peers and professors. It's awarded to a second-year student in engineering at UPEI who combines academic performance and qualities desirable in future engineering. This year, it's awarded to Bridget Patterson. Congratulations, Bridget. And Bridget, I'm going to ask you to remain right there while I read the next one. The Frank and Don Callahan Sustainable Design Engineering Award. In 2015, and in honor of the importance that UPEI and its former institutions have played in the Callahan family's education and careers, Frank and Don decided to give back through the creation of an award, supporting a student in the UPEI Accelerated Nursing Program or the program in Sustainable Design Engineering. In February 2019, we are very grateful that the Callahans also decided to create an additional award to support UPEI students in the Faculty of Sustainable Design Engineering. Granted to a second-year engineering student who is passionate about the field of engineering, this year it's awarded to Bridget Patterson. Congratulations. The Ernest and Bernice Smith Award in Engineering. Motivated by a strong commitment to education, Ernest and Bernice Smith supported their own 3 sons and 9 grandchildren through post-secondary schooling. Ernest and Bernice Smith planned a gift to UPEI to assist other young people to pursue university studies. It's awarded to a second-year engineering student who ranks highest academically overall after a full year of common courses in the engineering program. This year awarded to Sumyadeep Chowdhury. I'm also going to ask you to stay right where you are, Sumyadeep, as I read the next award. Engineers PEI has generously supported numerous awards over several years for UPEI engineering students, and we are grateful for their support. These awards will be granted throughout this ceremony. But the Engineers PEI Award for first year is awarded to a student with the highest academic standing at the conclusion of the first year of the 4-year Sustainable Design Engineering program. And this year it's awarded to Sumyadeep Chowdhury. And Sumyadeep, I'm going to ask you to stay one more time. The John William Godden PN Scholarship is awarded to full-time students enrolled in the Faculty of Sustainable Design Engineering, and this year it's awarded to Sumyadeep. At this time, I want to acknowledge Dr. Kathy Gottrapass, our Vice President, Academic and Research here at UPEI, and I'd like to invite her to bring greetings on behalf of the university.
Thank you, Wayne. Hopefully you can hear me okay. It's hard to talk with masks some days. So I wanted to welcome everyone who's here, everyone who is out there somewhere where this is being streamed, and congratulate all of the students who are winning awards today or who have already won awards today. It's wonderful to see so many people here in person. I don't think I've seen this many people in one place in months, so that's kind of exciting. So congratulations to everyone, and I hope you have a really great day as you continue with this particular event. So thank you.
Thank you, Kathy. We appreciate very much you being with us. The Engineers PEI Richard George Matheson Memorial Engineering Scholarship is awarded to the student entering 3rd year of the Sustainable Design Engineering degree program with the highest academic standing in their 2nd year. This year, it's awarded to Philip Tweel. And Philip, I'm going to ask you to stick right there for a minute. The PEI Road Builders and Heavy Construction Association Frank W. Curtis Memorial Scholarship. The PEI Road Builders and Heavy Construction Association is comprised of companies sharing a common goal, a strong, effective voice in the heavy construction industry. This annual award was established at UPEI in 1986 by the PEI Road Builders and Heavy Construction Association in memory of Frank W. Curtis, a founding member and subsequently general manager of the association for many years. It's awarded to a returning student entering the 3rd year of the Sustainable Design Engineering program with the highest academic average in the previous year. The scholarship is renewable on condition that the student continues in the Sustainable Design Engineering program in the 4th year and maintains an academic average of 80% or higher. This year, it's awarded to Philip Tweel. Congratulations, Philip. The Engineers PEI Norman F. Stewart Engineering Scholarship is awarded to the student entering the 3rd year of the Sustainable Design Engineering program with the 2nd highest academic standing in their 2nd year. And this year it's awarded to Sydney Wheatley. And Sydney, I'm going to ask you to hang right there for a minute. The Delory Scholarship in Engineering. The University of Prince Edward Island was most fortunate the day that Mr. Delory came to campus one late afternoon with a nautical chart of Cardigan Bay. We were pleased to accept the chart as a gift, which is displayed in the History Lounge of the main building. UPEI is grateful for Fred and June's subsequent decision to establish an endowed scholarship that was the first of its kind in support of students in the new Faculty of Sustainable Design Engineering program. This scholarship is established in honor of the Delory family of Georgetown, PEI. It was endowed by Frederick A. Delory, native of Georgetown, PEI, PWC 1943, civil engineer, professor emeritus, University of Toronto, in appreciation of the treatment he received in 3 universities. It's awarded to a UPEI engineering student who was a resident of PEI, and this year this award goes to Sydney Week. Congratulations. The Engineers PEI Laurie A. Coles Engineering Scholarship is awarded to the student entering the 3rd year of the Sustainable Design Engineering program with the 3rd highest academic standing in their 2nd year. And this year it's awarded to Graham Ching. And Graham, I'm going to ask you to remain there for a minute. The Easton Scholarship. Robert Easton CPA, CMA, generously established this scholarship in 2019 to support students at the University of Prince Edward Island. A former public servant and wheelchair track athlete, he competed for Canada from the mid-1970s until his retirement from competition following the 1988 Seoul Paralympics. The UPEI scholarship reflects Mr. Easton's interests and island connections and is part of his quiet effort to give back to communities. We are grateful for his support. It's granted to a student with superior academic achievement entering their 3rd year of undergraduate study, majoring in accounting, English, or sustainable design engineering at UPEI. And the recipient is selected based on academic standing. And this year it's awarded to Graham Ching. Congratulations, Graham. The UPEI Administration and Finance Engineering Award. In 2007, UPEI's Department of Administration and Finance used proceeds from a conference to create 2 awards for engineering students. This year, it's awarded to a returning engineering student who, in the opinion of the Faculty of Sustainable Design Engineering, best combines academic performance and qualities desirable in future engineering. This year, it's awarded to Aidan Galan. Congratulations, Aidan. The Alan Kern Engineering Award. Alan Kern is a proud alumnus of St. Dunstan's University, class of 1962. In recognition of his wonderful years at St. Dunstan's University, Alan established this award to support a student entering the 3rd year of the new UPEI Sustainable Design Engineering program. We're so grateful for Alan's support. It's awarded to a student entering 3rd year of the Sustainable Design Engineering degree program, and this year it's awarded to Oluwase Afolayan. Congratulations, Shay. The Jinyu Julia Shao Memorial Award. Fueled by her strong Christian faith, an optimistic, determined mindset, and an indomitable spirit, Jinyu Julia Shao worked tirelessly to create a beautiful life for her husband, daughters, and grandchildren, and blessed those around her with her hospitality and warmth. Julia was an inspiration to her daughters and instilled in them her determination and conviction that no subject matter is too difficult to master. Julia Shao died in 2016 of multiple myeloma. This annual award was established in her name by her daughters, Dr. Amy Shao Krudlikov from the Faculty of Sustainable Design Engineering, and Dr. Katie Shao Goldsboro, an oncologist, hematologist in Chicago. It's awarded to an engineering student who has completed their third year of study and has demonstrated creativity, empathy, and lifelong learning in their individual pursuit of engineering. The recipient must have a cumulative average of 80% and intend to continue fourth year at UPEI Sustainable Design Engineering Program. This year, it's awarded to Hamisha Bangaruthi. I'm going to ask you to stay where you are, Hamisha. The Parks and People Association Scholarships. Founded in 1981, Parks and People Association Incorporated is a nonprofit charitable organization that promotes awareness, appreciation, and conservation of the national park and national historic sites of Prince Edward Island. Its members have supported conservation initiatives, created fun recreational opportunities, and celebrated Prince Edward Island's cultural and natural heritage. In 2017, the directors of the association recognized that the life of the association was coming to an end and very generously decided to use the remaining funds they had raised to support the establishment of Parks and People Association scholarships. They're granted to returning UPEI students who are normally resident in Canada, have a demonstrated interest in protecting the island environment through the development of sustainable design initiatives, and are in the Faculty of Sustainable Design Engineering. This year, there are 3 awards, and they're awarded to Amisha is one, Benjamin Fraser is another, and Catherine Aubrey is the third. Amisha is here. Ben, I think, is here. Yes, so Ben can come on down. Unfortunately, Catherine is participating with us virtually. So she's out there watching and seeing this. Congratulations to the 3 of you. The Maritime Electric Engineering Scholarship. Since 1918, Maritime Electric has delivered electricity in Prince Edward Island, providing reliable service at the lowest possible cost in a safe and environmentally responsible manner. Maritime Electric is committed to fostering engineering talent on PEI and supporting the next generations of engineers. This award is awarded to a 4th-year student in the Sustainable Design Engineering program in good academic standing and who has an interest in pursuing a career on PEI. This year, it's awarded to Jessica McDonald. Congratulations, Jessica. The PEI Advisory Council on the Status of Women Engineering Award. This award was established in 1995 by the government of PEI on the 20th anniversary of the PEI Advisory Council on the Status of Women. It's awarded to women studying engineering at UPEI in recognition and support of women pursuing non-traditional fields. It's awarded to a female entering 3rd year. This year, it's awarded to Ellie Arson. Congratulations, Ellie. The Robertson Accessibility Award. In 1980, Susan Claire Robertson Cameron, daughter of Mark and Betty Robertson, graduated from UPEI as one of the first 2 women with a diploma of engineering. This program supported the studies needed for a future degree in mechanical engineering from UNB, a career in the Royal Canadian Air Force, and then as a professional in project and change management. This award is offered in recognition of the support from Susan Claire's father, Mark Robertson, who encouraged her to enter what was at the time a non-traditional field for women. Granted to a student in their 2nd year of study in the Faculty of Sustainable Design Engineering. This year, the award goes to Ben Kaiser. Congratulations, Ben. So the next few awards are our high school entrance awards. These awards have already been recognized back in the spring at the various high school convocations for each of the students being acknowledged this morning. But we wanted to take the opportunity to recognize them here as well. The first two entrance scholarships were established at the University of Prince Edward Island in 1994 by the Association of Professional Engineers of Prince Edward Island, now known as Engineers PEI. The scholarships are named after distinguished PEI engineers whom were active and instrumental members in the Association of Professional Engineers. The first is the Engineers PEI Glenda McKinnon Peters Scholarship. It's awarded to a well-rounded female student entering first year of the four-year Sustainable Design Engineering degree program who graduated from PEI High School. And this year it was awarded to Clara Grant. Congratulations, Clara. The second is the Engineers PEI Father Charlie McDonald Scholarship. It's awarded to a well-rounded male student entering first year of the four-year Sustainable Design Engineering degree program who graduated from Prince Edward Island High School. This year, it's awarded to Riley Fitzpatrick. Riley's not able to attend the event this morning, but sends his regrets and his appreciation to Engineers PEI for the support of the award. Congratulations to Riley. The Andrew Renewable Scholarships in Engineering. These annual scholarships are established at UPEI by Bill and Denise Andrew. Bill Andrew received his diploma in engineering from UPEI in 1973 and was Chancellor of the University of Prince Edward Island from 2005 to 2014. Their support to UPEI through numerous endowments has benefited students from across the UPEI campus. It's awarded to a deserving student who has graduated from PEI High School and is entering first year of the Sustainable Design Engineering program at UPEI. This year, it was awarded to Grant McCormick, and Grant is also not able to attend the event this morning, but he sends his regrets and his appreciation to Bill and Denise Andrew for their support of this award. And congratulations to Grant. And finally, the Engineers PEI Entrance Awards. There were two of these. There were two awards granted to deserving students entering the first year of the four-year UPEI Sustainable Design Engineering degree program who have achieved high academic standing in high school. This year, these are awarded to Spencer Blackier and Emma Christensen. Spencer's here with us, but Emma's not able to attend, and she sends her regrets and also her appreciation to Engineers PEI for the support of the award. So congratulations to Spencer and Emma. So that brings us to the end of the acknowledgement of our awards, and it concludes our Student Awards Ceremony for 2020. I want to once again thank our awards and scholarships donors for their generous support of the Faculty of Sustainable Design Engineering. I want to thank Dr. Kathy Gotcha-Pass for joining us, and as well as our faculty and staff who attended here to congratulate you and cheer for you. Thank you also to Dr. Libby Osgood and Jeff Bowser for arranging the live streaming of the event, and to Rosie O'Malley Keys from UPEI Donor Relations for coordinating the virtual attendance of our donors. Thank you to all family and friends who joined in the ceremony virtually this morning to celebrate with us. And of course, a huge thank you and congratulations to our student award recipients. I wish you continued success in your studies, and wish everyone have a good day. And congrats again to everyone. Big hand of applause.